Thank you to our Swedish customer for purchasing EA576H1 outdoor rental LED display. EA576H1 outdoor rental LED display features a unique design with a screen size of 576mm*576mm. It utilizes a clever quick lock and corner protection design to ensure safety and stability. Curved locks are also available to create unique shapes for different application scenarios. EA576H1 outdoor rental LED display uses a hub connection design, improving system connection stability. The power box is detachable and equipped with quick-release buckles for convenient and rapid maintenance. EA576H1 outdoor rental LED display innovatively uses magnetic LED panels, and the cabinet design supports both front and rear maintenance, greatly improving installation convenience and efficiency.